don't say boom boom when the clash go on here. Close up.
Boom boom. It's kaboom. Connect. Straight element. None of them no better than me. I choose. Them right against boom boom. Them rip. Well lose.
Remember you the bitters. And the bitters. You see how easy me draw that? Or the side of that? People got bounty killer and dry mouth. A bounty killer warrior are. When they play bounty killer, drop them bounty killer in a war.
Hot Maestro. Want to some little idiot, how we come up select and even know where them come from out of the wildlife, out of the woodland. Come down on a selector, them a reflector. I want to them boy. Talk to them fool, I want to them David. Sick with it. Yo, come boy, just don't go kill. Just go turn up a deal. Boy, you smell a bad mind pill. Yo, tell them how to right away. None of mercy. Well, kill or be kill them, steady talk until Hot Maestro them pop out and up you go.
One on! One on! Audience silence! And I read him that go, the instrumental there. You feel like I'm afraid of you. Bad people, come here.
Some boy run off them mouth and lose them life. Yo, boom, boom, we didn't talk, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Harry, hype.
Bad people.
You're gonna get deleted in future. Why? Yeah, you know. All right.
Bad
Yeah.
people.
Well, now where the boy I feel. Think him chest line with steel. Harry, hype, and boom, boom, we
Silence! Silence! People, I don't know where to come from. Them two the can't frighten me. I want to tell you are a swipe. Are a swipe. Me change boom boom name to Whom Broom. Whom Broom and Harry Swipe. Listen to Junior.
Yeah, when I'm show conscience I represent to the fullest, I always say when I'm afraid of people, no matter who them want be. You see me, I say no one better than me. Them for know that when I'm afraid of people, we are Jamaican and we head hot up. Them for know, I'm a strong conscience I represent, I'm not long talking thing, I want to some boy. I want to some fool. You think we care where you come from, eh boy? When you say Maestro, make I tell you this. Maestro not right no for nobody, but him respect everybody. But we better than everybody, so Maestro can run with anybody. Cause no boy no better than we. No boy no better than we.
Come on, first year. People, if never know me of them sitting there. One for one. I have a conscience. Big up conscience. All over your conscience. Do it here. We'll take them down. Take them down. Watch a vintage song here. Oh boy!
We set the record straight. Oh, you mean boom boom champion sound?
People, yes.
Ever inclined for yours and mine? Hey, all right, give it to them one more time. Yeah, we'll level it and settle it. It's ease. Hurrah, hurrah, hurrah. Hurrah, hurrah, hurrah. Boom boom, yeah, it's time for the show. Kill them tonight, boom boom, kill them tonight.
That's it. Clash done. Shamil.
Boy, watch it. We have two bad selectors in the house tonight, and them really bring it tonight, boy. So only the best can attain the title. This is what they call tune for tune. We have two of the baddest selectors in the house tonight, but only one can attain the title, and someone will be going home tonight. Chris Swag, who you think going home? Our judges' final comments when we come back.
Dumb bad man. money, me thugs, me lady. Tell it to the elder, tell it to the baby. That I don't love nobody when lazy. Me say, me a work for my own. Thugs on the side with the shovel. Put up.
It's pure excitement here in what must be the place to be, the Guinness Sounds of Greatness party. Sound clashes that leave you shell-shocked. We've just heard from our two sounds tonight, Boom Boom and Maestro in the Tune for Tune round, and we're now going to hear from our judges as to who they think is the winner tonight. Mikey Bennett, who is the overall winner?
I forgot with the experience. I get Maestro. It was really, really close for me. Really, really close for me. Really.
All right, one more song. And Cool Face.
All right,
What do you think?
One. In my eyes, I can't pick a clear winner right now. So here what I'm going to say. I'm going to go with Boom Boom. I will just go with that, play 2 more tunes and decide who win. And so I deal with it. So I say, we have play 2 more tunes and decide who win.
Since the judges are tied, we're going to make the selected and play 1 more song each and decide the winner. All right? 1 more tune for tune, dub for dub song each, and then we're going to decide the winner. Crowd of people. So here what we are going to do? No. Who will go first?